Welcome to John Deere Sprayer's Supplemental Boom Rinse video segment. This video will discuss the operation of the 4 Series sprayer rinse system, focusing solely on the boom rinse procedure and operation. A separate video covers the complete system rinse procedure. When the same machine is used for more than one crop application, chemical residue from previous applications can damage or contaminate the next crop's application. The 4 Series sprayers are designed with an integrated rinse system to help our customers prevent chemical cross-contamination. It is important to note that just using clean water in the rinse system alone may not prevent chemical cross-contamination. To help address the possibility of cross-contamination, the use of a spray tank cleaner with the machine's rinse system will aid the operator in conducting enhanced clean-out procedures. Precision Laboratories, an industry leader in spray system clean-out chemistry, formulates 2 solutions that are available from John Deere parts. Inside Out is a liquid spray tank cleaner that emulsifies and bonds pesticide residue to rinse water for complete purging. Erase is a powerful spray system cleaner that penetrates and removes dried-on and oily residue in tanks, sprayer lines, and hoses to help prevent cross-contamination. Important note: always read and follow all safety and use information available in the machine's operator's manual, chemical labels, and MSDS sheets pertaining to all chemicals. Read and follow all PPE recommendations within these documents. All chemical residue must be disposed of according to local, state, and federal regulations. This video provides supplemental material and does not replace the operator's manual information and safety instructions outlined within it. A boom rinse should be conducted at the end of each day's spraying or more often if desired to clean the main boom plumbing. You can select and start this rinse either from the solution command load station by hitting the keypad rinse button. The micro display then shows the picture icons for the boom rinse or full system rinse that can be selected to start the chosen process. Additionally, the same choices and start procedure can be done from the Green Star display setup screen in the cab. It should be noted if you are conducting a boom rinse with a 4 Series machine that has the manual version solution system, the rinse processes can be accomplished with the same results, but some of the automatic controls are replaced by manual valves the operator must position correctly. Reference the machine's operator's manual for more information. A boom rinse cycle will shut the main tank supply off. Open flow access from the onboard clean water rinse tank. Start the machine solution pump to route the clean water flow to the pressure strainer and then through the flow meter. Note, if the machine has a high flow system, this adds a second flow meter. Make sure the outside meter is open for access by positioning this yellow valve handle to open. The flow then moves out to the boom plumbing, which includes boom strainers, section valves, section aspirators, and nozzles. To start the boom rinse cycle, the machine engine should be at an idle. You can then select the Enter button from the micro display or the checkbox in the Green Star display setup screen. Then start the solution pump, which begins routing the clean water flow through the system. Select the boom section nozzles On button from the load station keypad, or if using the Green Star display screen, turn the sections on with the master spray switch located on the multifunction control handle in the cab. This will allow the rinse solution to flow out of the nozzles. All of our 4 Series sprayer booms come equipped with boom section aspirators located on the outer 2 nozzles of each section. The addition of this great feature helps remove air pockets from the boom. However, chemical buildup in aspirators can occur if not cleaned out thoroughly and regularly. To clean, close all nozzles except the aspirator nozzles. Remove the nozzle tip on each end of the boom sections during a boom rinse. Ensure pump pressure is at 60 to 80 psi and turn on 1 to 2 sections at a time to flush out each section. Then open up the other nozzles to ensure the boom, nozzle bodies, and tips are properly rinsed. Note, Inspection of the boom pipe internally for cleanliness may be necessary with certain products and sensitive crop types. Verify proper cleaning of the 3 boom strainers to prevent product cross-contamination during crop changeover. To clean properly after the boom rinse has been run, for each boom strainer, pull the strainer out of the strainer body. Empty the strainer and rinse with clean water. Insert the strainer into the strainer body. Verify the strainer is properly seated in the strainer body before the cap is installed. Tighten the cap and check for leaks. If the sprayer is equipped with the boom air purge option, to finish purging, rinse residue from the boom plumbing. Choose the boom air purge button from the run page on the green star display, and then follow the on-screen directions to use the onboard air system to blow the remaining residue out of the boom and nozzles. It is recommended to only purge 2 sections at a time for maximum air supply cleaning. Consult the machine's operator's manual for more information. Once the boom rinse is started and flowing, the operator can let it run until all of the water in the clean water rinse tank is used, or stop the process at any time they wish using just part of the water supply necessary for the cleaning. For either situation, to stop the process, simply select the Cancel button on the micro display, or uncheck the green star display selection box. We hope this short video was helpful. Please use the feedback loop for additional comments and suggestions. Important note: always read and follow all safety and use information available in the machine's operator's manual, chemical labels, and MSDS sheets pertaining to all chemicals. Always follow all local, state, and federal regulations dealing with handling and disposing of chemicals and chemical residue.